Red and horrible. Wow, this is red and horrible. What is it?
Paint dust, I think. Or brick dust. Whatever. Sorry about all that you do up and
Wow. This is a sweaty little mine, isn't it?
yeah.
Nice.
Right, get sick.
Yeah, man. What is it?
It's just a lead mine.
Right. Come on, guys. Yes, look at that. What is the red stuff for?
Fucking hell.
That's just the blow from the paint.
Right, right.
We're a paint factory, and the ventilation from the dust, they've blown it in here. So these workings were built before the factory were built.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
obviously they bricked it up, but then knocked back through to put the ventilation in here. So when you get towards the end of the mine, it changes colour,
Right.
where the ventilation.
Where does that
obviously
go
didn't
then?
reach. That goes just up to the top to a dead end. Right.
Let's go.
Look, shit, yeah. That's right, where I hide that. Go in that hole there. I don't want to. Ooh, what's deep there?
It's about fucking 2 inch.
People walking up the factory, no, they're not walking the best down here.
This is a sweaty little mine. A sweaty little mine.
Fucking hell, just goes.
Wow. It eats the light up in here. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Wow, what a little coffin tunnel. Wow. Oh, dead end.
Dead Dead end.
Dead end.
Wait there then. Let me get a photo. Sorry, Joe, I didn't realise you could.
No, it's fine. Well, it's well warm in here.
Brown red art.
Is it a dead end? It's probably a goer to be fair, but... Oh no, it's a dead end.
Dead end.
Yeah.
That's why it's flat so bad in here. Yeah.
Derbyshire's rife for it, innit, toadstone?
It's just so bad at toadstone, that's why a lot of mine's flat. Right. Yeah, that's where it is. Yeah? That's toadstone. It's like a soft clay, innit?
Yeah, them boards give you fish pot.
It does, yeah.
Kingspan.
Yeah.
Kingspan.
Such a nuts colour.
That's fucking crazy, that.
That blue and all, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, there's a bit of coil.
Morning, I've got everything else.
Innit? I can't be bothered, it's too fucking heavy that. Ooh.
Oh, where's the water level, Joe? Slight eye. Slight eye up. Yeah. So they can see it. There is another one a bit further on.
We have to go over that.
Yeah, we've got to go over it. You don't have to, you don't want to.
Someone's left a full bottle of water.
If you don't want to, it's just mick, innit?
I think I'll get that.
I'll be alright. What, are you alright?
Yeah.
You're not doing it?
Just how you're going to get the cat before then.
Well, I've been over it 3 times and it's sound as fuck.
Oh, that's fucking alright, that.
So it's getting over sand, it's just turning back round. It's a lot difficult to come back the other way.
Oh yeah, because
There's not just that one, there's another one.
actually, there's room on the left here to put your foot.
Yeah, that's sound. You could actually walk on
Yeah,
that.
that's perfect to walk that way.
Oh, that's fine. I'll let you go first. I'm sorry, I don't know.
Go on, boys. I'll let you go. I'll tell you on. Yeah. Hey, just do what Benji's done.
Wow, this is like a little sketchy coffin tunnel, mate. Oh.
No, I've got to put the up there in the van. What is it?
It's a bit sketchy, that.
Here, walk into with me and Andy, it's well easy. Now, walk up and you know my time. Well easy.
Oh wow, boys, it's the end of the road, I'm afraid. The end of the road. It's the end of the road. Oh no. Oh no. My moves on.
Okay, you want more to do at the back. That's what you got, you know. You don't go any more until he's off the card.
Easy that one. Now look at all watercolour that's mixing now.
Sorry, can I just hold on to you a minute? Is that all right? Thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't really, but
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that. Oh my god.
Here, look at mixture how it's
Crumbly shit, that.
Look at all that, all mixing.